Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights and that Bitlocker is active on C drive. That's essential because only admins can change encryption. Once confirmed, retrieve and back up the recovery key to a separate location, USB, Microsoft account, or printout, so you won't be locked out if something goes wrong. Next, plug the machine into AC power and close all programs. This avoids power loss or file conflicts. Now open Control Panel or Settings and navigate to Bitlocker Drive Encryption to begin the next step. Once you're in Bitlocker settings, choose the C drive and click Turn off Bitlocker. That triggers decryption, which converts the drive back to unencrypted. Make sure to monitor progress in the Bitlocker window. Decryption shows a completion percentage, and do not interrupt the process. If you prefer command line, open an elevated prompt and run Manage BDE off C, then periodically run Manage BDE status to confirm progress. Decryption can take time depending on drive size. Be patient and keep the device powered and connected. When decryption reaches 100%, verify Bitlocker shows off or not encrypted for C. In Settings, that's your confirmation the process completed. Reboot the computer to ensure the system starts normally and spot-check important files and apps for access and integrity. If you're prompted for a recovery key during or after, provide the backed-up key immediately. If decryption fails or errors appear, run chkdsk/f on the drive and inspect SMART health. Corrupted sectors can interrupt decryption, and chkdsk often resolves those inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.